next one, show that the area of triangle formed by the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal 0 and lx plus my plus n is equal 0 is n square under root of h square minus ab by mod of am square minus 2hlm plus bl square. So what is the given here? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal 0 is the a pair of straight line. It represents the two lines. So those are the two lines like this, they passes through the origin, and lx plus my plus n is equal 0. So these three lines form a triangle like this, and this is the, so these two lines meet at the point A, this line meet at the point B, this is the origin O. So we will show that here the triangle OAB area is n square under root of h square minus ab and by mod of am square minus 2hlm plus bl square. So first of all, we have take the equations L1, L2. So therefore, for that, the given lines, the given pair of straight line, the given pair of lines, but here there is the ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal 0, take as the equation 1. So now this equation 1 represent the two straight lines, therefore one represent L1 and L2. Let L1 is equal to is the L1 x plus m1 y is equal 0 and L2 is equal to L2 x plus m2 y is equal 0. So these two lines are passed through the origin, that's why here the constants will vanish. So now ikkada ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to L1 into L2. This is the combined equation of L1 and L2. So what is L1 here? This is the L1x plus m1y into L2x plus m2y. So now L1 and L2, L2 into x square plus m1 into L2, therefore L2 m1 xy plus L1 m2. First one, you have to take the L1 L2 and L1 L2 square and L1 m2, therefore L1 m2 xy, then m1 L2 plus, therefore L2 m1 xy plus m1 m2 y square. So if you write that otherwise, with that here L1 L2 x square plus ikkada xy is common, take outside xy, therefore we get that here L1 m2 plus L2 m1 into xy plus m1 m2 into y square is what here is equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. So if you compare on both sides, we get that here a is equal to L1 L2 and 2h is equal to L1 m2 plus L2 m1, then b is equal to m1 m2. ikkada coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of x square, therefore a is equal to L1 L2 and coefficient of xy is equal to coefficient of xy, therefore 2h is equal to L1 m2 plus L2 m1, then coefficient of y square is equal to coefficient of y square here, therefore b is equal to m1 m2. We get the these terms from this equation. So now using ikkada, so L1 comma L2 and Lx plus my plus n is equal 0, equation 3, form a triangle OAB. So first we have to find out the points A, B. So that's why the L1 L2 and the line 3 meet at the point A and B, therefore L1 comma Lx plus my plus n is equal 0 meet at A. So that's why we find out the point A. So further we have to solve the L1 and this line. Therefore, what is L1 here? That is the L1x plus m2y is equal to 0. Therefore, we have to solve in the method like this. First take the coefficient of y. That's why I take that m1. Then constant 0. Then x term, that is the L1. Then take that here again m1. From here take the first coefficient of the y, that is the m. Then constant n. Then take the coefficient of x. Then again y. xy1. Here x by m into n, m1 into n. Therefore m1 into n minus m into 0 is equal to y by n into 0 0, sorry, l into 0 0. Then minus l1 n is equal to 1 by that here l1 m minus lm1. From this we get that here x by m1 n is equal to y by minus l1 n is equal to 1 by l1 m minus lm1. So equate the first and last term and equate the second and last term. So for that purpose we take that here. So x by m1 n is equal to 1 by l1 m minus lm1. From this we get that here x is equal to m1 n by l1 m minus lm1. Similarly, the y is equal to that here minus l1 n by l1 m minus lm1. Therefore, a x comma y is equal to this point. A is equal to get that here. Point A is equal to that here m1 n by l1 m minus lm1 comma minus l1 n minus l1 n by l1 m minus lm1. This is the point A, x comma y. So similarly, if you solve the L2 and the line Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0, we get the point B. So therefore, the point B must be in the form of like this. మనం చూడండి ఇక్కడ we got here, we got the A is equal to m1 n by l1 m minus lm1 comma minus l1 n by l1 m minus lm1. This is the point A. Similarly, solve the L2 and Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. Then we get the point B. What here? Same ఇక్కడ మనకు we got the m1, we got the here m2 simply, and n by l2 m minus lm2 comma minus l2 n by l2 m minus lm2. This is the point P. So then the triangle OAB area is equal to that here 1 by 2 mod of x1 y2 minus x2 y1. This is the formula. So when one point is origin, we can take directly this formula for the area of triangle, that is 1 by 2 mod of x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Therefore it is the x1 y1, x2 y2. So for that take that here triangle OAB area is equal to 1 by 2 x1 means m1 n by l1 m minus lm1 into y2 means here minus l2 n by l2 m minus lm2, and then minus x2 minus L1n. X2 means, sorry, minus this one x2 for m2 n by L2m minus Lm2 into y1 minus L1n by L1m minus Lm1. So now observe here, so these two terms are equal, therefore take the directly the LCM become that here L1m minus Lm1 into L2m minus Lm2. With that here, so this is the minus L2 m1 n into n square, then minus into minus become plus, then ikkada again L1 and m2 into n square, so mod. So then we get that here from these two n square is common, take outside, that's why n square of ikkada minus L2 m1 L1 m2, therefore L1 m2 minus L2 m1 by, let multiply them, that here L1 L2 m square, then L1 L, therefore get that here L1 m into Lm2, get that here L1, get that here m2 L1 m2 into m into L or L into m, and then these two minus ikkada L1 L m1 L2 m, therefore that here L2 m1 Lm, then minus into minus plus, get that here L m1 Lm, therefore L square m1 m2 mod. With that here n square L1 m2 minus L2 m1 by, to that here L1 L2 m square, therefore L1 L2 m square, from these take the common minus Lm outside, with that here L1 m2 plus L2 m1, here with that here m1 m2 L square mod. So observe here, we get that here L1 m2 minus L2 m1. So we don't have the any formula like this L1 m2 minus L2 m1. We have the formula of L1 m2 plus L2 m1. From where? From here we get that we have that here L1 m2 plus L2 m1, but we don't have the formula. We have the term for that L1 m2 minus L2 m1. So it convert it into the this form. So how to convert it is, so if you observe that now a minus b is there, a minus b, you can take that here a minus b whole square is what here, that here a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we can write the this term like this, a square plus b square, sorry, write it is over here a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So look at that here a plus b also become out here a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4ab. Look at that here a plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. Therefore that is the a minus b is equal to what here a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Therefore a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Therefore a minus b is equal to that here root of a minus b whole square minus 4ab. So we apply this formula here. What is that here? That here a minus b is equal to root of a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Therefore this is the term a, this term b. Correct is what here? This is the n square of L1 M2 A plus B means here L2 M1 whole square minus 4 into A ante L1 M2 and then it is L2 M1 mod by L1 L2 M square minus Lm of L1 M2 plus L2 M1 and place M1 M2 L square. So then we do that here, take the n square, it is n square, and this is the here L1 M2 plus L2 M1. We got that this value is what here, it's 2h, therefore we get that here under root of, so this is under root, the root of get here 2h whole square minus 4 into L1 L2 is small a, the M1 M2 is small b from here, L1 L2 is small a, M1 M2 is small b, therefore a into b by L1 L2 is small a m square minus Lm, this is the value of 2h, therefore 2h into Lm, and place this b L square mod. So to get that here n square of this become what here 4h square minus 4ab the root by am square minus 2h Lm plus bl square mod. So it is already positive term kabatti we need to take the mod. Now finally become that here, take the 4 outside become the 2, therefore we get that here 2 the 2 of n square the root of h square minus 4ab by am square minus 2h Lm plus bl square. So but here we have 1 by 2 is there, we forgot that 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 that here 1 by 2 means here they get the cancel 1 by 2 that here. Then finally the area is what here, for the area for the new page, finally the area of triangle OAB is equal to n square under root of h square minus ab by am square minus 2h Lm plus bl square mod. This is the triangle area formed by the given 3 lines. So observe here, this is the first part, the line. So in this we got the a value, b 2h value and b value, and we have solved the L1 L2 and the third line. So if you solve the L1 and third line, we get the point a like this, and similarly if you solve the line L2 and the third line, we get the point b. So this is if we got the point a and point b, so then we apply the formula of triangle area of OAB is what here 1 by 2 mod of x1 y2 minus x2 y1. So here take the x1 means this term, y1 means this term, this is the x2, this is the y2. If you substitute those values in the formula, if you solve this, we get this answer. This is the second part. So finally this is the third part. It is one of the very important theorem for the IPE.